Rattrap Productions. We show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install your typical steering damper. Original equipment, they bolt on the side here, and then this is like a tie rod end. Okay? So this is called a steering stabilizer, and it just keeps things from shaking. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to replace that. First, you need to take the cotter pin and the castle nut off of this. And here's the thing, it's a little bit of a tight squeeze because you got to come from the back. So you're going to take it off that way, then this way it simply unbolts. Right here and right here, I'm guessing 12 millimeter. Cotter pin is taken out, boom. We're going to use a pickle fork and be done with it. Fun. Beating on shit is fun. Bot boom, bot bang. Out she goes. First thing to do is attach this guy. So he's going to be attached right in there. Boom. There. So I had to figure something out. This is tapered, so it doesn't really want to go all the way in. It goes in this side easy, but then it doesn't want to go on that side because it's tapered, because it's supposed to hold a tie rod end. Okay? And that's a tapered fit. So when I put this together, I'm just going to have to screw this in. So I'll put that in. Sandwich my other shock bolt. Now, put it in here. Okay, that's tight. Down the back side, slip my washer. All right, so now that it's tightened up, we're good to go. Now the manufacturer, i.e. Toyota, says to tighten this one up to 49 foot-pounds. Now that's if it's a tie rod end. This is not a tie rod end. The manufacturer of the stabilizer that I put on, the aftermarket stabilizer, did not give a torque. So all I'm doing is tight. Rattrap Productions. We show you how to do stuff today. I showed you how to change out your steering damper. That's what it's called. On a 1986 first gen, but also through the 90s Toyota 4Runner or pickup truck.